ChatGPT is an advanced conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand human-like text, voice, and vision. ChatGPT can engage in dialogues, answer questions, provide recommendations, and assist with different tasks. ChatGPT is widely used for customer support, content creation, and educational tools. The latest version, ChatGPT 4.0, which was released on 13th of May, is by far the latest version, and the company has brought many new features to it. Now you can start a conversation by tapping the headphone icon in the mobile app, and you can interrupt the model whenever you want. Now it has capabilities to understand the background noise, multiple voices in a conversation, and even it can understand the tone of voice. The new vision capability can identify the environment, and it can help you with real-time vision. Now you can upload screenshots, photos, and even documents containing text and both images, and you can ask about them. You can use ChatGPT's memory now. It has a sense of continuity across all your conversations. Now it can answer your questions using its own knowledge and from real-time information across the web. For data analysis, you can add files directly from Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive, interact with tables and charts, and customize and download them for presentations and documents. The app can handle many different tasks like merging and cleaning large data sets, creating charts, and uncovering insights. You can also customize ChatGPT for work, daily tasks, or inspiration with GPTs. ChatGPT Plus users can ask it to create images using a simple sentence or even a detailed paragraph. The desktop version of the app is now available, and you can use ChatGPT at its webpage now without even signing up. The company claims that the app is much faster than before across text, vision, and audio. The new version has improved the quality and speed across 50 different languages. ChatGPT can assist users with tasks, answer questions, and provide information on various topics. It can write, brainstorm, or explore ideas with you. You can use it to summarize meetings, find new insights, and increase productivity. It can facilitate communication between users who speak different languages by real-time audio translation. I want you to translate from Turkish to English for me, okay? I have a friend here who speaks Turkish. I hope you can help me with that.
Of course, I'd be happy to help with translation from Turkish to English. Just let me know what your friend says in Turkish.
Merhaba, bugün nereye gidelim?
Your friend said, "Hello, where should we go today?"
Restorana gidip bir şey yiyelim mi?
Your friend said, "Can I go to the restaurant and eat something?"
Okay, cool. So can you tell him in Turkish that, no, I'm not hungry right now, but maybe we can drink some soft drinks?
Tabii ki. Hayır, şu an aç değilim. Ama belki birkaç meşrubat içebiliriz.
You can generate text for various purposes such as writing articles, generating ideas, or making a marketing plan. It can act as a learning companion, answering questions, explaining concepts, and providing study resources in real time. ChatGPT can engage us in entertaining conversations, stories, games, and even jokes or poems. In some cases, ChatGPT has been used as a tool for therapy or emotional support. As AI and machine learning continue to improve, their improvement will definitely have profound impact on many industries. AI could revolutionize diagnostics, personalized medicine, and patient care. Its predictive analytics might help in early disease detection. AI-driven financial advisors and automated trading systems could enhance investment strategies and risk management. Personalized shopping experiences, inventory management, and supply chain optimization could be significantly improved. Autonomous vehicle and AI-driven traffic management systems might reduce accidents, lower emissions, and improve overall transportation efficiency. Chatbots and virtual assistants could handle more complex inquiries and provide 24/7 support, improving customer satisfaction and reducing costs. As AI technology evolves, it will drive innovation, efficiency, and personalization across many industries. I feel like the future of human-machine interaction is brighter than ever, and it promises an intuitive and intelligent experience that will enhance our lives. Can you sing me a song about how AI can change humanity's future?
In a world of endless possibilities, AI is changing humanity, you see. From healthcare to the way we learn. Its impact on our future, we discern.
Can you add more drama to it so I can showcase your powers to the audience?
Singing with added drama. In a world of endless possibilities, AI is changing humanity, you see. From healthcare to the way we learn, its impact on our future, we discern. With every advancement, a new frontier. AI is shaping the world year after year. So let's embrace this technology and shape a brighter future, you and me.
Can you tell me a fun fact that will blow my mind?
Did you know that there are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe?
I didn't know that. That's incredible. How about a joke?
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Not so funny. What do you think is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life can vary for each person, but many believe it's about finding happiness, fulfillment, and making meaningful connections with others. What do you think?
Deep stuff.
Deep stuff indeed. It's a question that has puzzled humanity for centuries, and everyone's answer may vary based on their beliefs, experiences, and perspectives. It's a topic that sparks profound discussions and contemplation about existence and purpose.
Okay, thank you. We can wrap up the video now. Can you tell a message to the audience who are hearing it?
To the audience, remember that life is a journey filled with ups and downs. But it's the connections we make and the moments we cherish that truly matter. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and always keep exploring the wonders of the world around you.